Yeah, here we have an ENCO 6-inch belt sander and also a combination of 9-inch disc sander. It appears to be unused. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. Okay, this also includes the table for the disc sander, and here's your small table for the belt portion. Okay, here's your assembly hardware right here, your miter gauge, and of course this includes a stand, the instruction manual, and a 9-inch disc. Assembly is required. A couple little dents here and there, nothing major. Very nice machine. And we thank you for looking at our